Hello children, today we will learn about odd and even numbers. Now as you can see the numbers written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Among these numbers, which are odd and which are even? Now for finding out this, first tell me, have you heard a game named chess? Now, how many players are required to play that game? If there is one player, can that one player play the chess game alone? No, the partner is not made with whom it will play, so it cannot be paired. Therefore, 1 is an odd number. Alright? And children, if there are two players, here are the two players. If they want to play the game, can they play? Yes, they can be paired and they can play with each other. So, 2 is an even number, right? Now, if there are 3 players, children, can they play? Now, these two can play, they are paired, but this player will be left. So, that player cannot be paired, so 3 is an odd number. Now, if there are 4 players, children, here there are 4 players, can they play? Yes, these two are already paired and these two can be paired. So, as the pair is made, they can play, so 4 is an even number. Children, if there are 5 players, look here, can they play the chess game? These two are paired, alright, these two are paired, now this player is left. And that player cannot be paired, therefore 5 is an odd number. Now we have to check for number 6. For this, we will take an ice tray. Alright, here is an ice tray, you can see. And for checking 6 children, we will take 6 beads. 6 beads are here. We will keep 2 beads in each slot of the ice cream tray. See here, 2, then again 2. And then again 2. No beads are left. That means all the 6 beads have been paired. Therefore, 6 is an even number. Right? Now, to check for 7, I have to take 7 beads. So, I will take now 7 beads. Alright? Here is the ice cream tray and here are the 7 beads. You can see. Now, I'll put 2 beads in each slot. 2 to 4 to 6. And 1 bead is left unpaired. Therefore, 7 is an odd number. To check for number 8, children, we will take 8 beads. Alright, and here are the 8 beads. You can see. And now I'll place it 2 beads in each slot. 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. No beads are left. All the beads have been paired. So, therefore, 8 is an even number. Now, we have to check for 9. For that, I'll take 9 beads. Alright. So, 9 beads are here. And you can see 9 beads. Now, I'll put 2 beads in each slot. 2, 2, 2 and 2. But 1 bead is left unpaired. Therefore, 9 is an odd number. Now we will check for number 10. For that, I have to take 10 beads. Alright. So, here are the 10 beads. You can see. I'll put 2 beads in each slot. 2 to 4 to 6 to 8 to 10. Children, no beads are left. That means 10 is an even number. Right? Now we will check for much bigger numbers by taking a calendar and we will see all the numbers in the calendar whether they are odd or even. Here is a calendar. Alright children, and we know that already we have found today that 1 is odd, so I am placing it here. 2 is even, I am placing it here. 3 is odd, we have already found. 4 is even, here it is. 5 is odd, here it is. 6 is even, I am placing it. 7 is odd, 8 is even, 9 is odd and 10 is even. Now we have to find it out for number 11. Children, for 11, see the ones place. Ones place is 1 and which is odd, therefore number 11 is odd. So children, when we have to find whether a number is even or odd, we look for ones place. If the ones place is odd, the number becomes odd. If the ones place is even, the number becomes even. Now for 12, the digit at ones place is 2 and 2 is even, therefore 12 is even. For 13, the digit at ones place is 3 and 3 is odd, therefore 13 is odd. 14, the digit at ones place is 4, which is even, so 14 is even. So it is very easy. You have to just see the ones place and decide whether the number is odd or even. Now 15, the digit at ones place is 5, which is odd, so 15 is odd. 16, the digit at ones place is 6, which is even, so 16 is even. We have to only look for ones place. 17, the digit at ones place is 7, which is odd, so 17 is odd. 18, the digit at ones place is 8, which is even, so 18 is even. 19, 9, which is odd, so 19 becomes odd. Alright. Now 20 children. The digit at ones place is 0 and 0 is considered as even, so 20 becomes even number. 21. The digit at ones place is 1, which is odd, so 21 is odd. 22. The digit at ones place is 2, which is even, so 22 is even. 23. The digit at ones place is 3, which is odd, so 23 is odd. Now we can check for 24. The digit at ones place is 4, so 24 is even. 4 is even, so 24 is even. 25. The digit at ones place is 5, which is odd, so 25 is odd. 26. The digit at ones place is 6, which is even, so 26 is even. 27. 7 is odd, so 27 is odd. 28. 8 is even, so 28 is even. 29. 9 is odd, so 29 is odd. And 30. 0 is considered as even number, so 30 is an even number. Now children, we can check for little more bigger numbers. Now here are the bigger numbers. I'll remove this one. Now here are the bigger numbers. We will check for these numbers whether they are odd or even. Now look at the first number, 745. Now the digit at ones place is 5 and 5 is odd. So 745 becomes odd number. The next number is 632. The digit at ones place is 2 and 2 is even, so 632 is an even number. Now 110. The digit at ones place is 0. 0 is considered even, so 110 is even. So you can find for even large numbers also. You have to check for ones place. Now the next number 943, the digit at ones place is 3, which is odd, so 943 is odd. 5665, the digit at ones place is 5, as you can see, so 5665 is odd. 2007, the digit at ones place is 7, which is odd, so 2007 is odd. 4682, the digit at ones place is 2, which is even, so 4682 is even. For checking for 3116, the digit at ones place is even, that is 6, so 3116 is an even number. So it is very easy to find it out. You have to just look for ones place. Now there is an assignment for you which you can do here. They are like this. Now in this, children, what you have to do, circle the even numbers. Now you will read the numbers, find out which digit is there at ones place, whether it is odd or even, and then decide whether the number is odd or even. And for the second one, circle the odd numbers. You have to check the ones place, decide whether it is odd or even, and then circle it. Thank you.